Welcome back to Auto Speed's Vibes. Today, we're talking about something that sounds like pure fantasy but is very real, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome. Yes, Ferrari has shocked the world by entering the luxury RV segment with a creation that blends supercar DNA with the opulence of a five-star hotel. This isn't just any motorhome, it's a $5 million masterpiece that delivers breathtaking performance, jaw-dropping design, and an unmatched level of luxury. This is the world's most luxurious supercar RV. Right from the outside, the Ferrari Motorhome is a visual stunner. It looks more like a spaceship fused with a hypercar than anything traditionally associated with motorhomes. Its aerodynamic shape features aggressive curves, a sculpted front end with massive air intakes, and a rear diffuser inspired by Formula One cars. The exterior is crafted from lightweight carbon fiber panels, reducing weight while maintaining strength and rigidity. Ferrari's iconic Rosso Casa red paint glistens under the sun, and the 22-inch forged alloy wheels, ceramic brakes, and quad exhaust pipes make it clear, this motorhome means business. Underneath this extravagant shell lies a beastly hybrid powertrain. A front-mounted twin-turbocharged V12 engine paired with 3 electric motors churns out nearly 1,000 horsepower. Ferrari's engineers have tuned the power delivery for both high-speed stability and low-end torque, giving it the muscle to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds. The top speed is electronically limited to 155 miles per hour, impressive for any vehicle, let alone a motorhome. An advanced all-wheel drive system, rear-wheel steering, adaptive air suspension, and carbon ceramic brakes ensure it handles better than any RV ever created. It drives like a supercar but lives like a palace. Step inside, and you're immediately greeted by an interior that redefines what comfort and craftsmanship look like on the road. The cabin features hand-stitched Italian leather in signature Ferrari tan, suede Alcantara headliners, carbon fiber accents, and custom wood trims made from sustainably sourced materials. The living room is equipped with a 65-inch 8K OLED display, Bowers & Wilkins surround sound system, and ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood. The seats recline into full loungers and come with built-in massagers, heating, and cooling. The kitchen area is fully equipped with Miele appliances, including a convection oven, induction cooktop, integrated espresso machine, and even a climate-controlled wine cabinet. The dining table can seat 4 and folds seamlessly into the wall when not in use. In the bedroom, a king-sized bed with memory foam and an automatic leveling system ensures perfect sleep, no matter the terrain. A large skylight brings in natural light during the day and offers a view of the stars at night. Even the bathroom is a showstopper, featuring Italian marble floors, a rainfall shower with smart temperature control, and gold-plated fixtures. There's also a rear garage that can fit a compact Ferrari like the 296 GTB, making this the only RV where you can bring your supercar along for the journey. Everything from lighting to climate to security is controlled through Ferrari's proprietary smart home system, all accessible from your smartphone or the OLED control panel on the dashboard. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience, a statement, and a dream come to life for those who refuse to compromise on luxury or performance. Only 25 units will be made, making it one of the rarest Ferraris ever. That's all for today's insane ride through Ferrari's most ambitious creation yet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more outrageous automotive innovation. Catch you next time on Auto Speed's Vibes.